Hi guys, how's it going? Hey, little bit of a bonus video for you. Just got in from work. Oh my word, what a performance. Frank over there in the Netherlands. Hi Frank. Frank Rossi. Not the real Frank Rossi. Frank Rossi. He sent me a lovely email a couple of weeks ago. He said, John, I'd like to send you something. There's been strikes, the Royal Mail, the Postal Service and so on. It's kind of thrown things into a bit of a chaos. We've had a bit of a performance, but I'm delighted to tell you, look what's here. Thank you, Frank. Thank you, Frank. There you go. Sent me this wonderful, wonderful gift. I've no idea what's in it, but it doesn't matter. I'm just grateful for anything that you send me, Frank. Thank you very much. So first and foremost, thank you to him. Thank you to you guys for watching. A very quick unboxing. I wanted to bring my Rambo's knife in, you know, the one I used trekking through the Himalayas and all this, but you guys keep asking for the pink one, so we'll go pink to make the boys wink. And here we'll go. Let's have a look, and we'll have a look, and we'll open it. I don't know why I showed you that. You know what it looks like when you see a box be opened. And we'll do this lovely unboxing before I jump in that shower. Oh my word, what a day. So we've got some paper. We'll put that down there. Oh, right, first and foremost, look at this. I actually said, Frank, you must be a mind reader. Proraso Red. Proraso Red Aftershave is one of my favourite sandalwood scents. Oh, absolutely wonderful. Thank you, Frank. I was going to get one of those, so I think Frank's a bit of a mind reader. And check this out, guys. Diver Down CK6 formula. Absolutely. Oh, just unbelievable. Thank you, Frank. That's very kind. Just those alone. Now, check this out. He sent me some. He sent me some razor blades. Look at these. Thank you very much, Frank. I don't know what to say. Very kind of you. We've got some more blades here. Once again, Frank, I think you're a mind reader. I was just saying to myself, I looked for these blades to use in a shave a couple of weeks ago, and I've actually run out. Look, green Astras. Frank sent me 4 tucks of green Astras. Thank you, Frank. Wonderful. You guys in the wet shaving community know whenever you send me anything, it's always like you've read my mind. It's absolutely unbelievable. Here we go. Once again, Eau de Queen. What's that? Compound hair tonic. Do you know, I was looking yesterday, do you know, I put aftershave in my hair before I'm going to work and so on. I just said to myself yesterday, I need some hair tonic, and I was actually looking at some. Not this one, but I was looking at some, so now I look forward to trying that one. Oh, it smells fantastic. Thank you, Frank. It's again, it's like you've read, right, okay. Razor time. What's this one? This one looks to me like a Merkur. It's a Merkur, but it looks to me like the Merkur 30, is it 38C? What's that one there? Here we go. Oh. Now that looks like 38C as well, but that's got the barber pole handle. But if you notice, the heads are different. So Frank, if you could let me know what I think that's 38C, the barber pole handle. Not sure what that one is. If you see this, Frank, and you could let me know, I'd appreciate that, my friend. Thank you. Hey, look, always up for trying new stuff. Look at this, guys. Shermanix shaving products. Shaving soap sample pack for Dutch shaving soap. Now, I've heard of them, but I've never ever seen any of the soaps. Look at that. Absolutely wonderful. I look forward to using those in a video. I'll put those there. Oh, hey up, look. One of my favourite razor blades. More razor blades. Look at this, guys. Voskhod ×2. Thank you, Frank. and razors in boxes. I know what this one is. You see that? That's the Mercure 30. What is it? No, it's a Mercure Future. There it is, the Mercure Future. Thank you, friends. I look forward to using that. That feels like a heavy beast. It really does. And then we've got another one here. That's it. Right, now that said 23C. So is that a 23C? I think that's a 23C with a Merca head on it. That looks, but they've got different heads but similar. Please let me know if you know what they are. But that is absolutely wonderful. Let me get that one back. That one back. That says 23C on the inside. You see what happens when stuff comes here. Well, I've only ever had this happen to me once, but it was the last time somebody sent me stuff. The guys at the Royal Mail opened it and went through everything. So I don't know if somebody's opened that, had a look, put one back in the wrong box. You would think I know, guys, but it's been a long day. But that is absolutely wonderful, and that is our unboxing. Thank you very much, Frank. I keep saying Frank because I think his name's actually Frans. But in England we would say Frank. Thank you very much, Frank. Thank you to everybody for watching. You can thank Frank too under here, because I've got some good videos here now, some good content, some extra stuff to use. Thank you very much to everybody for your generosity, your support and your kindness. Look after yourselves. I'm trying to figure out what day it is. It's Thursday, isn't it? I'll probably be filming a video tomorrow ready to go up on Saturday. Look after yourselves and bye.